राह में, गली गली बाहर की बस एक छाँव धूप की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की।
Yeah, we are good.
We're feeling great.
Great.
It's a milestone for us. And son getting married, we always waited for this moment.
Happy to see both of them very happy together.
Make her laugh is difficult.
Never thought that time. This day also will come so soon, and I think girls grow up very fast.
बस एक था जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की, पुकारता चला। Thank you, Mani.
Yes, ढोल we are having एक तुम्बक नर करके बोलते कश्मीरी, तो वो हम बजाते हैं with Kashmiri songs and all that, and then they sing also, dance also, put mehndi also. That's the first function that starts for the girls' side.
Raghav is a very interesting personality. I think he is extremely sensitive as a person.
His behavior, how he meets, how he talks, how he respects elders. So I was happy that she's getting such a partner because I've seen him. So I know that I've given up my daughter to a best boy. Yeah, he's too good.
Wow, that's a very, very fun story. I'll tell you my side of it. At the very first glance, I was really attracted to her.
Oh, okay. Really? That's interesting. And then I was like, okay, show me pictures of Sheen.
It was my dream to have a baby girl. Her name also Sheen. I have to name it if I have a baby girl. Sheen in ours means, in Kashmir, Sheen means snow. It's the first snow.
देखो सखी श्याम निठुर नहीं मानत, देखो सखी श्याम निठुर नहीं मानत, करत ठिठोरी कान्हा रोकत मगर चलत, करत ठिठोरी कान्हा रोकत मगर चलत, देखो सखी श्याम निठुर नहीं मानत, देखो सखी श्याम निठुर नहीं मानत.
Very special feeling for me today. That's for Sheen.
She is like the model human being.
Well behaved है, बहुत मतलब पोलाइटली बात करती है,
अफेक्शनेट है.
अफेक्शनेट है.
In that picture, Sheen fit perfectly. First couple of weeks, we found us to be around each other through mutual friends. That was the moment that both of us realized that we want to give this a shot, and we want to give this a shot to take it to the end. And yeah, I asked Sheen, no, I think from here you can take the story forward because it's all your show after this.
कहो तो हम भी मुस्कुराते हैं, कहानी तुम्हें सुनाते हैं, यकीन आए तो न गम कोई, कि खुल के आज सब बताते हैं.
One thing about him was that he was very helpful, not only to me but to everybody. And that's what I really liked about him back then and even now. You know, this is almost 4.5 years apart. And he's still caring, he's still kind, he's still helpful.
The bar is open, everybody, you can join in. आने वाले 10 से 15 मिनट में the DJ is going to take over.
Okay, done.
Thank you.
Very sweet. I think they are made for each other.
Like they complement each other like so well.
कपल आप देखिए ना कैसे लग रहे हैं.
Yeah, they make a beautiful pair.
बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
बहुत
दोनों.
अच्छे लगते हैं.
बहुत खुश रहते हैं दोनों.
Happy hug.
Happy.
Thank you for the bonus.
So they kind of complete each other.
Excited?
Yeah, really excited. Talking about this for a very long time now, last few months, about how excited we are to see each other. We've been imagining how the next 2 days are going to go. So we've planned it so that we can take it all in. That's something that we're really looking forward to.
आया मौसम,
Good morning.
Good morning.
तेरे मेरे
What is
मेरे
yours?
तेरे मेरे तेरे तेरे मेरे प्यार दा आया मौसम, तेरे मेरे मेरे तेरे मेरे तेरे तेरे मेरे प्यार दा आया मौसम. अग बल दी जावे मैनू समझ न आवे, बुरा हाल होया दे बेईमान दा आया मौसम, तेरे मेरे मेरे तेरे मेरे तेरे तेरे मेरे.
मेरी पूजा के लिए जाना
हाँ,
है ना.
I could never believe that Sheen getting married, and she was never that a child that I'll get married. But then suddenly everything changed, and she's saying I have to get married. I found a partner for myself, and I was so happy for her that she really thought of marriage. And I've been seeing this last 1 year say coming up.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
I asked her if she would marry me, and she said yes, and shouted from the top of her lungs, "Finally!" And everybody around was looking at, laughing at us.
ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਜਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਓ ਕਰ ਲੱਗੇ ਬਾਗ ਸੁਨਹਿਰਾ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾ ਭਰਿਆ ਵੇੜਾ ਓ ਜਗਮਗ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਘੇਰਾ ਮਹਿਕ ਹਵਾ ਚਹਿਕ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਦੀਵਾਰਾਂ ਦੀਵਾਰਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਜਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਓ ਕਰ ਲੱਗੇ ਬਾਗ ਸੁਨਹਿਰਾ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾ ਭਰਿਆ ਵੇੜਾ ਓ ਜਗਮਗ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਘੇਰਾ
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I asked you.
I regret it now.
Oh no!
Beautiful.
अबे होली नहीं
क्या जॉयलाइन दिख रही है भाई, मजा आ गया.
अरे यार ये ब्रश कराने वाली आदत छोड़ दो यार. शादी की हल्दी बच्ची को लगा दी. कोई ये बोलो you are not putting through, you know you're gone. साफ कर. That means 1 साल में शादी अभी. ए यार.
Guys, photo. Raghav.
ਨਾਲ ਸਜਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਓ ਕਰ ਲੱਗੇ
इनसे कम है यार.
Devgan in a Kashmiri Pandits means that we are preparing the girl for being a half bride. Holy bath of water and curd has been done by the Pandit, with all the milk and all the shuddhikaran that they do for the girl. Like it's like a Shiv Parvati marriage getting ready, and Parvati is getting ready with her things.
Smile. देखा कितनी बहादुर है, स्माइल कर रही है.
Puja is done. So we take her for changing her things and all. When she comes for the final puja, Mama brings her. Mama usually covers her, doesn't show anybody her face. Sits and first sees herself in the mirror, and then we just remove her things and put the jewelry and all, keep her ready. we Kashmiri Pandits have a thread with a long pendle hanging that's given by the mother to the daughter. Usually that's just like a half marriage.
स्वस्ति नस्तारक्षो हरिष्ठनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
I know she's going to be someone's wife, someone's daughter-in-law, so definitely I will miss her. I totally miss her. It's nothing like one thing. I just totally miss her.
ओम स्वस्ति नन्दो विदाः स्वस्ति न गोषा विश्ववेदाः ओजस्वी यशस्वी कीर्तिमान भूयाः ओम मेधावी ओम सौभाग्यम अस्तु शुभम भवतो कल्याणम भवतो ओम स्वस्ति स्वस्ति स्वस्ति
जल्दी
Happy laugh. Okay, done.
This is the fact of life and you have to accept it. I always bless her that she is happy. That's it. Oh wow.
The prettiest bride, and then everyone was looking at you and having a crushing over you, man.
This is nothing romantic, by the way, but he's just trying to say कि नजर उतार ले.
नजर उतार दे तू सुंदर सी बहू की. Oh no. Here you go. I gave them all the B-roll they needed.
Yeah. I'm so happy.
तेरा क्या है मिक्स का शो में?
कुछ नहीं, अभी खाना पीना खाएंगे.
You can go and get ready. 4 o'clock I can be ready.
4 o'clock.
रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का
तो फिर मैं नीचे बैठता था पैर था और जरूरत ये होगी कि तू नीचे बैठ मैं करूँ और टाइम लगेगी
और गले का हार हुई सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे आँख तुम्हीं से चार हुई रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई.
Excited?
A lot. We've been talking about this for a very long time now. Walking down the aisle, waiting for her to come to me. A lot of those things we've been imagining. That's something that we're really looking forward to.
अब मुझे कोई इंतजार कहाँ अब मुझे कोई इंतजार कहाँ वो जो बहते थे आबशार कहाँ
I love that you kept the green in also. Love. This outfit was a few months in the works, but it looks lovely on her.
This is also.
I'll follow you on.
Tammy, hold it! In the car, you see him. That's his car. Yeah, that is his car. You see him? He's on the inside, I think.
He's too inside. I can't see.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine.
Actually, at this point, forget it. Maybe it's not meant to be.
It's not, maybe. I think we let it go.
I'm ready to go hit the dance floor with all of my friends. I hope everybody's on time. I think they will be.
Be on time.
But no. What the hell, dude? That is literally. I feel like
She
she's
loves
not
you
Manoj.
and she's so excited to marry you.
Oh, and that.
अब मुझे कोई इंतजार कहाँ
I haven't seen her wedding outfit yet or her in it.
अब मुझे कोई इंतजार कहाँ
We finally arrived at the moment that we've been waiting for a long time.
I love you. I'm very excited to marry you. We've been waiting for just this moment for too long. So let's get at it.
But I'm so excited. I'm telling you, I think if I could hop and go to him, if I had, I would gallop. I'm so overjoyed. Like the theme is like a walk in the park because when he asked me out for the first time, we were sitting just like that in a park and
On our picnic date.
So it's ideal because there'll be flowers, there'll be greenery, there'll be people we love. I can't wait to grab that Varmala and just put it on him. And yeah, just officiate this, what has been real for the very long time that we are together.
I can't wait.
I can't wait.
सोना सजन कर आ मेरा सोना सजन कर आ मेरा सोना सजन कर आ मेरा सोना सजन कर आ वासांगी सागर छाया वासांगी सागर छाया मेरा सोना सजन कर आ मेरा सोना सजन कर
That's when you realize that you found the one, right? That you can go through really rough phases of life together and still come here, smile, celebrate because you're just happy to have
Each other.
जो बैठे रूबरू तेरे नैना की तक कमला.
We are very happy that Raghav and Sheen got together. They are a perfect match for each other. They are so happy together. So we are very happy.
It was a day I'm waiting for a very, very long time, and it happened. So it was amazing feeling being a mother of Sheen.
So happy for Raghav and Sheen. So yeah, they are truly made for each other. They are truly home for each other. So yeah, that's love.
जिस रांझण ढूंढ दे सामे जिस रांझण ढूंढ दे सामे ओ रांझण मैं पाया सोना सजन करया मेरा सोना सजन कर
पत्नी त्वमसि धर्मणा अहम गृहपति तव. ओम. एक दूसरे देखो, एक दूसरे की तरफ. ये संकल्प है.
I think I live for your smile. Yeah, and the moment you give me that big bright smile, I think I have fulfilled everything that I wanted to do. I love you.
तुझको देखूं चाँद से मेरा तेरी खुशबू से मेरा जीवन मेरी रूह तेरे नाम की तरह तुझको देखूं चाँद से मेरा तेरी खुशबू से सोना सजन कर
आज से दोनों कुलों की मर्यादा का संरक्षण, उसका पालन पोषण आपके कंधों पर है.
Be happy together. जिस तरह से अभी हो पूरी ज़िंदगी भर रहो.
मैं भी यही सोचती हूँ कि दोनों खूब खुश रहें साथ में, खूब अच्छा जीवन बिताएं. यही सदिच्छाएं हैं उन दोनों के लिए.
I want them to be very happy. All the best. Bless them, yeah. Keep them happy and smiling as always they are.
You guys are gorgeous together. You guys are perfect for each other.
Room was too nice. We love him. He needs to know this.
अब कहाँ है मेरी बीवी भाई?
All my passions revolve around the beautiful life that we want to build together and live with each other. All my efforts are going towards the next 50 years that we're going to be with each other. And I cannot ask for more.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know you don't like lipstick, though I didn't
No,
give you a kiss on the cheek.
Thanks.
Yeah, I promise not to do that. That's my vow. Try to not kiss you with lipstick.